Out through your mouth. Good. Sinking in, gentle. Good. Yes. This is going to be very gentle. So breathing in. Good. And out. Good. Sinking in. Breathing in. Out. Good. Let the shoulders come down just a little bit. Good. Relax here. Good. Lean your back. Good. Another breath in and out. Good. Let the shoulders come up like this. Good. Hold on. There's more. Let the hips relax. Lay on your back. Good. Breathe. Good.
Wow. Ah, okay. Wow.
Take a deep breath in and out. And again. Good. And then I'm going to have you flip to the other side. Take a deep breath in and out.
Let your stomach roll more. Good. A little bit more. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. Let this hip roll down. That's good. So relax your shoulders, and then I'm going to tell you let your head fall. So let it fall more. Drop.
Oh yeah, I felt that one.
Exhale all the way out. That's it. More.
Oh.
Let that air out. That's it. Good. Good. Take another deep breath in. And exhale all the way out. Good. Relax everything. Good.
Oh.
Got it. Reaching under. Perfect. Got it.
There it is. Good. That was a great miss. Drop it down. Stop. Gotcha. Let's straighten out that bottom leg, and Megan has a long upper body. A little more. Gotcha. That's it. Nice and easy there. Good. That's it, girl. Around. Gotcha. Over. Gotcha. Ears. Ah. Ear. There you go. Radial head. Gotcha.
We're going to breathe in so deep and out. Back up. Just took a little bit of torture.
Yeah.
Breath in and out.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow. You alright?
Yes.
That was a big one.
That was good. I felt that.
Breath in and out. Super relaxed in this one. Nice.
On both sides?
And out.
Yeah, I think it starts from it's like
Shoulders loose.
Ooh.
And out.
Ooh.
A little bit.
Whoa. Give you an extra inch.
Breath in again. And out. Lift your head up gently. Let it go.
Whoa. Yeah.
And there we go.
Ooh.
Wow.
That'll do it.
There we And out. Hips loose, shoulders relaxed.
Ooh.
Big breath in and out. Shoulders super loose.
Whoa.
Wow.
That'll do it.
That was big.
That was the spot.
Huge. Breathe in and out. Let it go. And one more breath in.
Ooh.
And fall back.
It's just so satisfying.
Around the corner here. Wiggle your toes if you can still feel them. Roll back over the top of it here. And then...
Oh, shh. What? Oh.
Beautiful. Alright, lean back. And scoot back just a little bit. These knees go here. Squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze it. There it is.
Ooh.
You're right here. Good. Perfect. Solid there. Yeah, pretty good there too. There we go. Good, nice and gentle. Good, and out. Shoulders relax. Nice breath in through your nose. And out. Good, let this go. Loosey goes. Go lay on your back. Go upwards. Nice and gentle here.